Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Silence coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? How we there? We done it?
Inside.
Brand new
inside,
banger.
Impressive.
Banger! Yeah! But right before we get tonight, guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaica YouTuber for sure. Anyway, no more itching. Right into it.
A victim. Right, I say I'm obey. Yeah, man. Hold them. They want stay a family member, but whoever they ain't go to stay with, put them out. Oh! See the two of them turn up over there, so then suitcase gone in a police car.
He needs some milk. Yes, they come from say catching them moving at the scheme with their suitcase and all the work. They come from foreign and no plane, no blood clot fly. Nobody now fly and they say they come from foreign. Stay here but they come from plane. They come. Them not staying at all. You got to go. Find what your suitcase about them just land. Could them too? I want clear them or who clear them? Yes, they come from say catching them moving at the scheme with their suitcase and all the work.
We are aware of an internal memo that's been circulating via social media and want to state clearly that that was intended for the sole purpose of advising our divisional commanders to prepare their response plan in the event that we see a similar outbreak across the island to what happened in St. Catherine recently. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, by virtue of what we do, we have been at the forefront of this fight to prevent the spread of COVID-19. And as a result, we have to be proactive and to ensure that we plan properly so that we can support the fight against COVID-19 and at the same time continue to support our core operational activities. Hence the need to plan and plan appropriately. There is not one large organization in this country where the senior managers are not huddling and planning for any eventualities as a result of COVID-19. So it would be irresponsible of us as the Jamaica Constabulary Force, given our critical role as first responders at this stage, not to be planning our strategies and implementing our response plan. So that's exactly what we are doing because we play a very critical role in supporting the other agencies in preventing the spread of COVID-19 across the country. Based on questions that have been asked of us, it would appear that persons are interpreting this document to be a shutdown of the country. Of course, we have no such information, and that is not the jurisdiction of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Our duty is to respond to the orders when they come and to support them. So, as an organization, as dynamic as the JCF in terms of what we do, we have to do proper planning. It's very unfortunate that the document got out, which is the subject of an internal query. Nonetheless, we continue to be at the forefront and will support this quest to reduce the incidence as far as we can of the spread of COVID.
I'll tell you a story what going on, man. Just week in a man. I say, yo, man, now they are hungry in a dog. I say, no, look. I bread truck that I see a pass through the acre. But some take out in my mask. Well, grimy and run in on the boy them. With that one John Sport. The boy them see me creep upside the truck. Like when I boy them spot the rake and looking at me and I see it glisten off of my wallet. And I rise up my money and say, yo, push out 2 bread fast.
My take on the matter now, guys. First, I want to say, how that the document they get out of the police hands and touch road. And then people just blew up the thing. You know, some investigation have to go on this, so yeah. You know? So, no lockdown now gonna happen, people. It's just a plan, pretty much is a plan, them plan. I said just in case if it get worse, them have a plan. You know what I mean? For not to, for the whole law, for work out how them gonna deal with it just in case so it get big, and then somebody get the information or somebody leak the information and it get out there. And now Miss Lindsay had to come out and just clear the airway regarding that. So, and also no peeps, send catching people and start giving yourself trouble, no man. You see on embarrassing yourself now, and people them are running out, them serious. Them not run no joke, man. And stay put on and do, stay put, man, and just make we just work on that thing. And I get antsy. We no want to go on the yard. We no want to come out on the yard, I should say. We no want to come out on the yard. Me want to come out on my yard. But anyway, peeps, me there. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the whole matter. And think that was just my little 2 cents on it. You know? And thanks for watching. And just go and journey the boy. Shoo!
Releasing